Hey everybody, it's me, Gregory Manarino. How are you today? It is Wednesday, November 29th, 2017. People, as I am doing this video, the bond market is selling off big time. Big time. Have a look at this right on my website, traderschoice.net. It just plunged, and you can see that big red line right there. My bet is this is not going to continue throughout the day. They're going to get in here at one point and start buying it up as usual. They won't allow this to happen. I mean, time and time again, we've seen this pattern repeated over and over again. So there's my take on what's going on here with regard to the bond market. Big sell-off. Chances are it's going to start getting bid higher at any moment. And I'm going to be watching that all day long. Stocks are at new record highs again today. The Dow Jones Industrial Average is up almost 100 points as I am doing this video blog. Just real quick, as most of you know here, I've been riding these indexes. Specifically, I told you, SPY. I have had this position now for almost 2 weeks. Exceedingly profitable for me. I was considering selling it this morning. I might close that position at the end of the day. I am not sure yet. I'm going to watch that very closely. If I close that position, the market goes up tomorrow, I still don't care. Why would I care when it's still been exceedingly profitable? So sometimes, you know, it's good to pull profits. You just never know what's going to happen. But what I did do this morning, right at the open, I bought January in the money calls on Disney. I think when I bought that, it was up about 0.75%. It's up almost 1.5% already. So I'm already happy. I might close that position too at the end of the day. I don't know. I'm just gonna watch to see how these things progress throughout the day. Bitcoin. Yesterday, hit my target of 10,000, and now it's over 11,000. It's had quite a run here. We'll see what's going to happen. Again, I'm not done with Bitcoin. I told all of you what I was doing with it. If it continues higher, great. I'll buy again, and I'll ride it up. But right now, I'm just going to kind of watch it, sit back. Gold and silver are getting hammered. I hate talking about gold and silver because they're not real. You know that. But this drop here, I think silver's down almost 1.5% or something like that. It's a buying opportunity in my opinion. There's no doubt about it. So that's where things are going right here. The stock market is in some kind of a melt-ups phenomenon right now. Bonds are under pressure. Let's see how that plays out throughout the day. I'm going to start laughing when I see them buy it up. They're not going to let it fall. I'm convinced of that. So whatever they want to do, it doesn't matter to me, and it shouldn't matter to you. We're just going to play this game. Like I said yesterday, play the game or die trying. That was the title of my video that I did yesterday at the end of the day. So let's see how this plays out throughout the day. Watch that bond market. If you like, keep your eye on Bitcoin. I told you how I'm playing this market now. All of you know that. I told you a new position I opened this morning. You know, don't go jumping in here on my Disney call because I might not hold this position longer than through the end of the day. I don't know yet. I need to see what happens. If it's nicely profitable for me by the end of the day, be a nice day trade for me. I don't know. I might hold it till tomorrow. Again, I just don't know. I got to look at what's going on here. But forget about picking individual stocks. I've been telling you that. I just decided, you know, to take some of the profit that I made on Bitcoin and start putting that to work too. I already had that position riding SPY. So I said, hey, you know what? Let's see if I can take this Bitcoin profit, throw it into an equity here, see if I can make it grow. Well, guess what? I think I'm making that happen here. So, all right. So with that said, let's see how this plays out through the end of the day, people. Going to be interesting, and I'm going to talk about it later. It's going to be all kinds of fun. I'll see you.